There is question from IIT JAM 2017 from electrostatics. This is question number 4. In this question it is given that a sphere of radius r has a uniform charge density rho. The sphere of the smaller radius equal r by 2 is cut out from the original sphere as shown in the figure. Below this is the figure. The center of the cut out sphere is lies at z equal to r by 2 after the smaller sphere has been cut out. The magnitude of the electric field at z equal to minus r by 2 is rho r divided by n epsilon naught. The value of the integer n will be equal to what? So let's solve this question. For solving this question, the electric field intensity, as we know, the electric field inside a uniformly charged solid sphere of radius r, the electric field intensity inside a uniformly charged solid sphere of radius r is given by E. Its electric field will be equal to rho r divided by 3 epsilon naught and its direction is r cap. Now the electric field outside a uniformly charged solid sphere of radius r will be equal to E, means outside electric field equal to rho r cube divided by 3 epsilon naught small r square, and again its direction is r cap. So electric field at z equal to, therefore you can write electric field at z equal to minus r by 2 is E will be equal to rho r divided by 2 divided by 3 epsilon naught minus rho into r divided by 2 whole cube divided by 3 epsilon naught r square. So this value will be equal to, so we can write E, or electric field, will be equal to rho r divided by 6 epsilon naught minus rho r divided by 24 epsilon naught. So if you calculate this value, so our result will be equal to rho r 1 divided by 6 minus 1 divided by 24 into rho r divided by epsilon naught. So if you calculate this, then our value will be equal to electric field E will be 24, and there is 4 minus 1 rho r divided by epsilon naught. This value will be equal to 3 divided by 24 into rho r divided by epsilon naught. So our value of electric field at a distance r divided by 2 equal to rho r divided by 8 epsilon naught. But in our question it is given that, but from the given question the relationship is given as E equal to electric field equal to rho r divided by n epsilon naught. So comparing these two equations, we can get the value of n will be equal to 8. Therefore the value of n will be equal to 8. So this is the solution of this question.